In this tutorial, we're going to show you how you can insert an image in Microsoft Excel. So let's start. For inserting an image in Microsoft Excel, you need to go to the Insert tab. Here you can see an option Illustration. Click here. There is an option is Picture. Click here. Then you can see an option that is this device. Click there. Now select your image. By selecting this image, you can see that the image is larger than your screen. So we're going to resize it. We're going to resize from bottom. Click here and resize it. We're going to resize as the yellow cell. Now resize it as you want. We're resizing it like that. Now there is an option you can use in Microsoft Excel, that is click the right button of your mouse and then you can see the size and properties. Click here. Here there is an option is properties. Here there is a checkbox that is move and size with cell. Click there. This is why when you are going to move this cell size, then it will automatically resize the image. Look, we are resizing this and image is automatically resized as the cell. This is how you can insert an image in Microsoft Excel. Thank you for watching the video.